What is up, you good looking people? Hopefully you're well. Hopefully your family is well. We're in the process of packing up to head east to the Choctaw Celebration 2024 out in Durant, Oklahoma. And I was thinking about how dope last year was. They invited me to participate or to be able to see some of the other stuff that was going on. And it was awesome, y'all. Stick games, their cultural center, like museum area. I had never been to that. I've been to the powwow a number of years, but hadn't taken the time to head over to those places. And it's actually just across the street, so I don't know why it hadn't. I just haven't. And I wanted to put together something for y'all before I headed out, because if you're considering going, stop considering. Get your assets together, put them in the truck, head on out. You won't be disappointed. And if you're already going, but you know you're going to have a slow Friday, man, Friday or Saturday morning, head on over and check out what they got. Stick games, they were crazy. I don't usually get a chance to see those. Northeast, where my daddy would powwow a lot at, whenever I would ride with him, we'd see a lot of lacrosse, but you didn't get to see a lot of stick games. And so it was cool to see that. And also their visitor center, their cultural center, their museum, y'all, it is top shelf. And so I know a lot of people are going to be traveling. They're going to have their little guys with them, and they got stuff for them too. So I would encourage you to go and check it out. You won't be disappointed, y'all. The powwow is awesome, obviously. This year, I think the Roberts got some more specials for us. Those are always cool. I got a couple of clips of those here, as well as some of the other categories and some of the songs. So hopefully you like the pics. Hopefully you like the vid. And if you're traveling, travel safe. I will see you there. Hopefully we get to visit. Y'all be easy. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Bernard Billy. I'm the Public Programs Manager here at the Choctaw Cultural Center. And I want to talk to you a little bit about stickball. So stickball is our little brother of war in English. In Choctaw, we call it Ishtaboli. And we utilize this game to actually settle disputes in ancient time. Today, the game is still played recreationally, and we actually adapted the game too for smaller teams to actually play in more of a 12-on-12, 15-on-15. And we even do youth tournaments as well, with some applied rules to kind of keep people safe. And so today, it's still a growing game itself. We continue to have the knowledge that's passed down from our older generations to younger generations for playing the game, for handling discipline, and just good fun and competition. Today, the game still strives and continues to have that traditional aspect of hand making the sticks, on producing communities, and to strengthen communities as well. And as we continue moving forward, that we have younger adults become the new leaders. And so that's just awesome to see in real time. Today at the Culture Center, we are having Choctaw Day. We're doing a small exhibition outside, or demonstration. And as this weekend is Powwow weekend, we actually have a tournament here at the Cultural Center. And so for that, for our guests to come see in live action that we have the actual game, it's in its entirety of the physical contact, the adaptation of co-ed versus all men or all women. We as Choctaw people continue to grow the game and adapt the game in current time. So if you actually want to see more of our stickball games, you can look online, or you can come to the Choctaw Culture Center. We're open Tuesday to Saturday from 10 o'clock to 5 p.m. every day. Thank you. Yakoki.